Hello and welcome to another unboxing of the NG models Southwest Boeing 737-800 and Gemini Jets Southwest Boeing 737-800. I do already own this model. This is a brand new one that I got. And the reason why I'm just unboxing this is for the comparison between those two models. So let's do the Gemini Jets model first, I guess. So there it is, Gemini Jets, made for collectors by collectors, aircraft, Southwest Airlines, and Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-800 TM, Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-800 TM 1:400 scale die cast model, item number GWSWA1428, Gemini Jets, adult collectible model. Warning: contains small parts, not suitable for children under 14 years of age. Barcode, Gemini Jets. Same on this side. And 1:400 scale die-cast model. Highly collectible, superior quality, realistic metal landing gear. Detailed printed graphics as real as it gets. Features and Gemini Jets. And that's just on the back. So now there is the model. Go into further detail. Now for the unboxing of the NG models, Boeing 737-800, which the box look awesome. Compared to the Gemini Jets, we have Southwest, regular November 8686 Alpha. That should be the call sign. Or NG models, 1:400 scale collectible models, die cast metal, 737 TM, right down there. I can't read that. I don't know if you'll be able to. Boeing 737-800. On here, Boeing 737-800, NG model, Southwest, 1:400 scale metal, holds die cast model. Boeing 737-800, NG models, Southwest, regular November 8686A, and Boeing 737-800, Southwest, and NG models. So let's open it up. There's the model. Now, I did already open this. It came damaged. Oh yeah, alright, took that off. So, there are the models side by side, and we will do a further comparison. And to start off this model, we have, this is the Gemini Jets model 2, Heart 1, cockpit windows, pitot tubes, the landing gear, the door, the Heart Southwest, we have windows, a antenna down there. Then moving down, we have the overwing exits, the engine, southwest.com. You go up here, the wing, the landing gear underneath, and the very large scimitars with a red beacon light and another antenna on top, the Wi-Fi dome, one more antenna, and windows all along here. November 8642 Echo, the back door, the American flag, go up to the tail, and the elevator, and rudder, and then the APU. Now, to the back, it is about the same. Just quickly go through it. and show you what it looks like for the top and bottom view. Here's the front view, the back view, top view. At the bottom we have 2 rolling gear. This gear rolls and the front gear rolls. I don't know why that gear doesn't roll. The Gemini Jets logo, the Southwest heart. Next here we have the NG models, Boeing 737-800. We don't have the heart livery as the Gemini Jets one does. Cockpit windows. I think this, I'm a bit disappointed right here with NG models, because that is a tall gear for the 737-800. That is probably more the gear shape for the Max. But we move down, we have an exit, the heart, Southwest, and we have the engine, southwest.com, windows, overwing exits. We have the wing and slightly less large split scimitars. The gears of this aircraft do roll, which is good for NG models. And going to the back, we have a Wi-Fi dome. There is 2 antennas under there and another antenna here. So it'll zoom in. There it goes. November 8686A. We have the last door, the American flag, and we go up to the rudder and elevator and APU. So moving back to this side, you can see the color is a bit brighter than the Gemini Jets one. So now we'll go to the bottom and top view. Here's what the front view looks like, and the back view, top view, the bottom view. So right here, this is what 2 aircraft look like. You can see really well now the difference in the color. I think the NG models color is a bit closer, and you can see why I don't like that landing gear. And I think the Gemini Jets one is better. The Gemini Jets is the heart one, where the NG models does not. And that will be it for differences in the front of the aircraft. So let's go to the tail. Just flip them around. And for molds, the Gemini Jets tail, you can see is quite a bit taller. Right around there. And the color varies quite a bit, the Gemini Jets being lighter and NG models being darker. With the yellow color, I like the lighter Gemini Jets one, but it is probably a bit closer to NG models. With the red, I think it's definitely closer to Gemini Jets. So that's just what I think with these models. I do like the NG models as more antennas, but the Gemini Jets model, it came intact in the NG models. I'll just show you what was off. There. This wing and this engine. So clean yourself up, NG models. That's the second model that I've received that has had an imperfection. I just super glued it, or crazy glued. Whatever this stuff is. So, actually, it'll just be the video once I do the scimitars difference. So here's what the scimitars look like. With this, I think I like Gemini Jets better. They have the bigger scimitars, which is kind of not as good for them. But the thickness of the scimitars for NG models, like, that is very thick scimitars when see a plane flying around. But the Gemini Jets, it's very thin, very nice looking. And so that concludes this update or unboxing, and it was a good unboxing with these two aircraft, and I think it's worth your money to, if in stock, get the Gemini Jet Southwest 737-800. But if not, I know NG models, you can find that on eBay, diecast models, that's where I got mine. I don't know where else, probably other places, but it's cool to get both of them so that you have 2 slots to fill. But thank you for watching this unboxing, and see you in the airport update.